Alright guys, we're back with another video. It's been a while now. So this is a bike we're going to be working on. Actually, here it is. I picked up this bike probably a couple days ago. Won it at an auction for $500. Here we go. It's a 2017 Honda Grom. So the Grom is a little bit damaged, but it looks like it could be repaired pretty easily with just a few $100. Little bit of a backstory. The bike was robbed, well, stolen, but you can see the ignition's been punched, the gas tank has been punched, and the seat lock has been punched as well. So just need to switch those, which is pretty simple. The front wheel's broken, no headlight, the dash is broken, the bars are bent. As far as everything else, it looks pretty good. So we're about to wash it up right now and see what we actually need to do. Get under that seat and see if we can get it running somehow. I don't know, maybe hot wire or something, but we're about to give it a wash. Getting everything on my car. Sponge, some soap. That's everything. Just to wash it off, dry it off later. Alright guys, we got the bike clean, not super clean, but clean enough to where we can go and just assess the damage. So one of the big points was that the ignition or the key locks are punched. You can see this one and this one down, well, this one right here. The one for the gas tank was too. It opens up too. That's why I had a rag when I washed the bike, so no water would go into the gas tank. And a seat lock. So I gotta find out how to get that open. So let me work on that seat and I'll get back. Alright, so shortly when I was washing the bike, I was looking how to open up the seat and I was messing around and I found this cable down here and I pulled it and the seat comes open. So that's an amazing sign right there. And right off the bat, I can see there's something going on with this fuse. I gotta find what that's about. So there's an old phone in here, or MP3 player. I don't know how old the guys that stole it were, but there's a wire. It's for this phone mount that I wanted to take off too. This is some type of clamp, I'm guessing. Yeah. Which was probably for the phone holder. I'll take that off too. Everything else looks pretty good. I'm gonna give this a clean just with the rag. I don't know, maybe I could do something about this too. Alright, so it's a little bit cleaner. Doesn't look as dusty. I gotta go deep into it to actually have it cleaner, but I don't really want to do that right now. You can see the fairings are cracked too, but that doesn't mind. A lot of people are gonna ask, why'd you buy a broken Grom? Pretty much short answer is it's gonna be studded out. It's gonna be dry. So I figured, why buy a new one when I could get one that's already beat down, and I don't mind beating it down either. But as far as everything else, it looks all in there. Out the bat, doesn't look like anything's missing. Here's a lock that the previous owner broke to get into the bike. This will be replaced as well. yeah, pretty much it looks good. I want to order that ignition just so I can see if I could get it running up before I do anything else, and if I do, that's an amazing sign. Alright, so I just want to take that phone mount off, so I just turned apart the wiring. I didn't really unplug it. It looks like it's been run through here, so I'm just gonna run it out and trash that out. Some cheap, I guess, yeah, chargeable phone mount. I don't really need it anyway. Yeah, I want to see if I can somehow test this battery at a local shop or something. But that's pretty much it. Great thing to see the seat come off. The gas tank opens too, so that's just 3 bolts. Switch it out. Ignition is just kind of plug and play down here. Gotta order that, and it comes with 2 new cut keys, so the keys that came with this bike are pretty much useless as well. Also came with a broken wheel, but I mean, shocks don't look too bad. I can go off with them right now until I actually upgrade it. That's popping up. Gotta actually open it to get it in there. Engine didn't look like it's too damaged, so that's perfect. Aftermarket exhaust looks like. Chain, a little bit loose. Looks like it took some sliding damage right here, but still intact. So looks like we got a pretty good deal. And I'm gonna end this right here. Do some research on that. Get a parts list, which is probably just to start off the bars, the ignitions, locks, and a front wheel. If I can get the bike running, then that's good. So I'll see y'all later.